Well, you look at really basic issues, something like immigration. Well, and Trump really won on the immigration issue. Something like immigration, this is no insult to anyone around the world who wants to come to the United States. Frankly, it's not even an insult to the illegal aliens who are pouring across the border. But I think anyone can agree, taking in 1 million legal immigrants and 2 million illegal immigrants annually, it's going to be more than that this year probably, on top of that, 3 million people per year.
Taking them in? Whose houses are they living in?
Yeah,
See them living in anybody from Washington, D.C.'s house?
No, it's not Martha's Vineyard. It's not
no,
Southampton.
You don't see too many of them there.
No. But it's a political strategy that is opposed. If you look at public opinion polls, the vast majority of Americans, including lots and lots of Democrats, want to drastically reduce this immigration issue. And yet, doesn't matter which party gets elected, the border remains open. The West, especially after World War II, you've got this huge boom in the West. You've got the second half of the 20th century. Now we're into the 21st century. That's where all the money is. That's where all the opportunity is. And so just naturally, people want to flood in there. And if you've got relatively lax immigration policies.
Well, we used to have, in order to get into this country, you used to have to prove that you were of value, that you could offer it something. It wasn't just about us giving to you. If you were an immigrant and you wanted to come here, you had to show that you had something to offer yourself. Okay? You had to, learn English. You had to go through Ellis Island or wherever. You had to learn English. You had to learn about the Constitution. You had to buy in to our political.
But now it seems you're incentivized to hate America, or to hate Western civilization.
That's right. And now who would be doing that? Any real American? Not that I know of. Okay, it's a contradiction in terms.
So what's the end game here? I mean, if America...
The end game is world domination. They're going global. That's what it's all about.